Go ahead, Mr. Praveen.
So our next presentation is from Dr. Nirlip Kaur. She is the State Nodal Officer for Tobacco Control in the state of Punjab. And she also looks after the oral health program. So it's a wonderful integration. She has 18 years of experience and is dedicatedly in the domain of tobacco and oral health. She is extensively working on oral cancer screening in states of among patients in the state of Punjab.
Good afternoon, everyone, and thank you, Dr. Praveen, for the introduction. And we'll be talking about the state of Punjab advancing NTCP at state level. Then there is about 75 to 80 persons, they die due to tobacco use in Punjab every day, out of more than 3,500 per day in India. And according to the GATS survey, tobacco users in Punjab, they are 13.4%, and smokers, they are 7.3%, and smokeless tobacco, the persons who use smokeless tobacco, that is 8%. Now there is institutional arrangement at two levels. At state level, we have state level coordination committee under the chairmanship of Principal Secretary Health to the Government of Punjab. Then we have state level task force under the chairmanship of Principal Secretary Punjab, and then we have state tobacco control cell under the state program officer NTCP, and then we have MPART committee on FCTC 5.3 headed by Principal Secretary Health to the Government of Punjab. Then at the district level, we have district level coordination committees, which is headed by the district commissioner, then district level task force headed by again the district commissioner of that district, then district tobacco control cell, which is headed by the district nodal officer, and that nodal officer has to be of the rank of SMO level. And then we have the tobacco cessation centers at the district level. Then this is the year-wise detail of challans under COTPA 2003. And in 2019-20, we had the number of challans, they were 21,581. And from the year 2008 till 2020, the grand total comes out to be 1,89,585. And then we have launched also the various court cases under section 5. There is one case, and then we have under section 7 of COTPA also. Then we have the tobacco smoke-free Punjab. In Farid, that is under section 4, that study was done by PGI Chandigarh, and the area they take is under section 4, smoking at public places, and that is Faridkot district. That has 96.7% of compliance, with second Kapurthala at 96.4% compliance, and at Sangrur is at 96.1% compliance. And then next, Punjab is the first state to ban e-cigarettes, and that was done under the Drugs and Cosmetics Act in 2013. And Punjab was the first one to block or ban the sale of e-cigarettes on e-commerce sites. 2 sellers of e-cigarettes, one in district Mohali, that was done in 2016, and Sangrur in 2018, they have been penalized with fine and imprisonment. Then there is ban on smokeless tobacco and spitting during COVID. Then Punjab is the third state to ban hookah bars under the COTPA Act 2003, and the complete ban on hookah bars was notified on 18 September 2018. Next, please. Then there is ban on smokeless tobacco and spitting during COVID-19. Spitting of tobacco at public places, that was banned in Punjab, that is banned in Punjab since 2017 under section 268, 269 and 278 of IPC. and 12 districts have banned the sale of smokeless tobacco, pan masala, etc. during COVID-19. Then we have 739 tobacco-free villages in the state. That is, we consider the 739 tobacco-free villages in the state on the following parameters, like there is prohibition on the sale and use of tobacco at public places. Then tobacco-free village signages are at the entry and then exit of the village. Then we have village level committees for monitoring the compliance. Then regular IAC activities and enforcement drives are conducted. Next, please. Then all the government schools and colleges have been declared as tobacco-free according to the tobacco-free guidelines, and there is a written declaration from all the schools and colleges. Then Punjab government ran a yellow line campaign to make youth more aware about the khotpa and harmful effects of tobacco. And like this year, we can't afford to go in for this yellow line campaign. And instead, on World No Tobacco Day also, we'll be going in for the media and IC campaigns on radios, and TV campaign will be going in for. And then we have other tobacco-free initiatives like at Sultanpur Lodi, that was declared tobacco-free city, and in 2019, then tobacco-free health institutions are there. All the health institutions are tobacco-free. Then we have 3 media houses like Punjab Kesari, Chartikala Times, TV. They are also tobacco-free. Then we have all the films and TV, that is also tobacco-free, and all the government offices are tobacco-free, and tourist spots and places, they are also tobacco-free. Next, please. We have tobacco cessation centers at all the district hospitals of Punjab, where the free counseling and cessation medicines like tablet bupropion, nicotine gums, and patches, they are being provided at free of cost. And then we have equipment like spirometers and carbon monoxide monitors in all these tobacco cessation centers to increase motivation towards smoking cessation. Like we have tobacco cessation services, they are also available at all dental OPDs of district hospitals in the state of Punjab and all the drug de-addiction centers. And then we have collaboration with PGIMR at 2 districts of SAS Nagar and Fatehgarh Sahib under the NCD clinics. And we have also collaborations with the TB and that is on pilot basis at 2 districts of Punjab, that is at SAS Nagar, 3 districts rather, SAS Nagar, Kapurthala and Sangrur. Thank you.